What's going on, everybody? It's your pal Smitty here, and today I want to talk to you about a new kit that we're bringing to the site that I'm pretty excited about. It's called the Business Starter Kit. Now, there are a lot of components that go into this thing, so we're going to head into the shop and take a look. Okay, so for this kit, we want to go safety first. Again, if you're starting a business, you should always be very careful with your safety. So, to start, we've got a full face respirator that'll make sure that your lungs come out clean. Next, this kit includes centered buffs, so to make those work safely and effectively, we've got a set of black safety flanges and a 2-inch extension. Moving on to our buffs and compounds, we've got a brown bar, an orange buff, a green bar, a yellow buff, a black bar, a red buff, a yellow bar, and a pink buff. And if you've paid attention to our other videos, you'll know exactly which buff and bar to use for which purpose. Next, you're going to want to keep those buffs clean, so we've thrown in a buff rake to help you do that as well. Moving on to the liquids included with this kit, we've got a bottle of Rebel Red metal polish and a bottle of Pipe Dream for your chrome. To get those on, we've got a pack of applicator pads included for you, and to get them off, we've got a pack of red microfiber towels for you to use. But wait, there's more. Because I'm your buddy, I'm your pal, we're boys, I'm going to throw in a free can of glass cleaner just for you in every kit. And that'll pretty much do it for this one, guys. How'd we do? Is there something we left out? Is there something that we didn't need to put in there? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear your feedback. Be sure to tune in regularly for the latest products, bundles, updates, how-tos, cool videos. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Peace.